Life. Life is like a ray of sun which starts from the open sky and does not know from where it makes the way. Moving towards its destination. Life is like the nature that always wants greenery, means happiness. But life is like a season in which sometimes greenery and sometimes autumn. That ray of light comes across with many phases where happiness, joyness, many more things occurs. Every morning that ray means life. Brings with it a new hope, new thinking, a new start. In which every dream is not a dream. The hope of turning it into reality arises. Life gives challenges. Accept. Go and leave it. एक छोटी सी सिनेमैटिक शॉर्ट फिल्म थे. आई होप आपको पसंद आया हो. कमेंट में जरूर बताना. थैंक्स. और हाँ, लाइक शेयर जरूर करना.